Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So if you want to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna press and hold the power button to open the power menu, and then tap on power off, and then again to shut it down. Now, you also need to use a USB cable, and we need to connect our tablet to a computer. So let's do this. Let's plug it in. There we go. And now we need to wait patiently until we see the charging information. So you will see the charging logo in the middle of the screen after a couple of seconds. There we go. And then you will see the information about the battery just shortly after that. So we should see it just in a couple of seconds. And there we go. So now what you can do is you can press and hold the power button and volume up button, and then while holding these, you want to hold these two buttons until you see the Samsung logo. So I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons, and once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release both buttons. Just keep holding. There we go. Now we can release both buttons, and we need to patiently wait for the recovery mode to appear on our screen. There we go. Now over here we navigate by using volume up and volume down buttons, as you can see over here. And if you want to select something from this menu, you want to use the power button. So if you want to exit the recovery mode, you want to choose reboot system now and just press the power button. Now we will reboot back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.